What's going on, guys? My name is PHX77. This is the view at my apartment. I don't know if you can see this or not, but it is typhooning like a bitch right now. I don't know if you could hear it, but the wind's blowing pretty strong. My class got canceled today, so yeah, I'm just chillaxing. I haven't even gotten out of my pajamas. It's 10 a.m. And I believe this right here is the leading edge of the center of circulation. That's it already made landfall, and I think it just kind of skirted along the coast. My unit right here is starting to shake a bit, and this is probably the worst wind we've had all day. I'm going to take a serious risk and walk outside right now. I can't even open up the door. The wind is so tough. Yeah, you can see how low the cloud tops are over here. Or not the cloud tops. You can see how low the clouds themselves are. So I'm actually feeling gusts blowing in towards, like, this way. But you can kind of see the general direction of the rain. Kind of. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy. Oh, I'm getting wet. That's what she said. No, I'm kidding. But yeah. Awesome. Be safe out there if you're in the Tokyo area, and I'll see y'all later.